In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit messages in Telegram. If you've ever spotted a typo right after hitting send or need to clarify something you wrote, this will save you time and keep your chats tidy. First, open Telegram on your computer using either Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web in your browser. The process is the same in both. Make sure you're signed in and your chats are loaded. Next, navigate to the conversation that contains the message you want to fix. This could be a one-on-one chat, a group, or even a channel where you have permissions to post. A quick reminder here, you can only edit messages that you yourself sent. If you try this on someone else's message, the option won't appear. Find the exact message you want to change. Now, right-click that message. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works as a right-click. After you right-click, a small menu will appear beside the message. Choose Edit from that menu. As soon as you do, the message turns into an editable text field right inside the chat. Your cursor will be placed in the message, ready for you to make changes. Go ahead and correct the typo, add a missing detail, or rephrase the sentence for clarity. Take a second to read it back to yourself to ensure it says exactly what you intend. When you're happy with the update, press Enter on your keyboard to save the changes. If pressing Enter doesn't save because of your keyboard settings or you prefer using the mouse, click the Save button that appears in the message area. If you change your mind while editing, pressing the Escape key cancels the edit and restores the original text. After saving, the message will show an edited label so everyone can tell it's been updated, but the conversation stays in place without needing to resend anything. The recipients will simply see the new version of your message. This is especially useful in fast-moving group chats where clarity matters. If you're editing something important, consider reading it out loud before you save so the tone is clear. Keep edits concise so the meaning is easy to follow, and avoid altering the message in a way that changes the original context beyond recognition. That's it. Open Telegram Desktop or Web, go to the chat, right-click your message, choose Edit, make your changes, and press Enter or click Save. With this simple workflow, you can fix mistakes quickly and keep your conversations polished.